You can have the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail is bad and it has a very low CTR, then no one is going to click on your video and no one is going to watch it. But you came to the right place because this video is going to show you the steps of how you can easily create high quality and professional looking thumbnails by using AI. The process is pretty quick and pretty simple, and it will literally take you a couple of minutes. What you want to do is find a thumbnail from a competitor's channel in your niche. That could be a history channel, a football channel, psychology. It doesn't matter which niche you're in. Just find a channel that's crushing it currently and find a video that has a lot of views and a good title, because chances are that the CTR of that video is pretty good and it's a good thumbnail in general. As an example for this video, I'll do a thumbnail for the fitness niche. And I found this cool thumbnail from this guy named Will Tennyson, where he's talking about a $0 versus a $10,000 gym membership in Japan. This video got over 5 million views, so the thumbnail must be good. I'll now take a screenshot of this thumbnail, and then you can go over to ChatGPT. Upload that screenshot, and then you'll want to write, break down this thumbnail style in extreme detail and understand how to recreate it. After I hit enter on my keyboard, ChatGPT is going to give me a lot of information about the thumbnail style, the composition, the visuals, and all that other stuff. But this is not that important, since what you need to do now is to write out the title of your video, because AI is going to do all of the heavy lifting for us. So we don't have to understand why this thumbnail worked so well. So just write out a prompt like this. My topic is $0 versus $10,000 Europe trip. And based on the topic and the style above, give me 3 thumbnail ideas. Hit enter once again, and then ChatGPT is going to give you 3 different thumbnail ideas in the same style as the reference thumbnail which we've uploaded. And in my case, it's this thumbnail of Will that got over 5 million views. So these thumbnail concepts will be high quality, they will follow the visual style of the reference thumbnail, and they will be optimized for a high click-through rate, or CTR. Now, you can go and read through all 3 of these and check out which thumbnail style you like the most. And once you do select the thumbnail style, enter one last prompt into ChatGPT. Let's say I like thumbnail idea number 1 the most, which is this backpack versus the supercar concept. All I have to do now is to tell ChatGPT to give me a highly detailed JSON prompt for idea number 1, and then wait a couple of seconds until ChatGPT creates the prompt for me. After this is finished, just copy this prompt and then paste it either into Google Gemini if you want to create this for free, or use Higgsfield or Opus Art or Sollo.ai. I'll show you how to create this using Higgsfield, but let's first go over to Gemini and paste this prompt. Wait a second or two until Gemini creates your thumbnail, and here it is. But keep in mind one thing. Since Gemini creates a watermark when you create your thumbnails for free, then I suggest that you erase this watermark by using some built-in tools with your phone, or simply use Canva like I'm using and use the magic brush tool to wipe out that watermark. We want our channel and our thumbnails to look professional, so remove the watermark before you add it to your video. But a better way to create AI thumbnails is by using Higgsfield AI, and we'll be using the Nano Banana Pro model, which is essentially very similar to the one that Gemini uses, but this one will make a better thumbnail, which will be in 4K, so it's a better looking thumbnail overall, and it doesn't have any watermarks like it does when using Gemini. So I'll paste in the prompt into Higgsfield right here. For the resolution, I'll set it to 4K, and the image model that we'll need is this Nano Banana Pro, which is currently the best image generation model on the planet. All I need to do now is to click on this generate button, and that's going to start creating our thumbnail. You should get results like this, which are pretty wild if you ask me, but all that's left to do is to swap the face of this person to your own face, and that's if you're doing your own personal brand content, or just add a random face or whatever. So I'll quickly upload a photo of my own face and then upload the thumbnail, which you'll want to use as well. I've already downloaded the thumbnail to my computer, so I need to upload both the thumbnail and the photo of my face real quickly, and then just type something like replace the man in image 1 with the man in image 2, and then hit enter on your keyboard. This will essentially swap the faces, and then you'll have your professional YouTube thumbnail created with AI. And this way, you should see an increase in your CTR and in your views. I'll be uploading a lot more faceless YouTube tutorial videos and how to create better content with AI that can get you results like this. So make sure to hit that subscribe button in order to not miss new videos, and help me out a bit and tell me which tutorial should I cover next. So leave a comment down below, guys.